the best pet. Pets are very clever. Granny Pig's parrot Polly can say lots of funny things. My noisy parrot, Eggman Elephant Scarecrow blow big noisy raspberries. And Pedro Pony's stick insect can make itself look like a stick. Well done, Steven. Susie Sheep helps Peppa look after her fish Goldie. They feed her and polish her bowl. If Goldie feels poorly, Mommy Pig calls the vet. Sick pets get better. Let's have sick. Dr. Hamster loves pet. She thinks that each and every one of them deserves a winner's rosette. The end.